Hello everyone, so let's see what is in store for you all in the reading today. Coffin. Let's see. Okay. Now, seeing this card, many of you would have got worried that it's not a good card. Is it death? Is it what? Sometimes this appears when something is coming to an end, yes, but it cannot. It doesn't have to be an actual death sort of a situation which it is showing. It can also mean that let go of whatever sadness you're having, let go of whatever is troubling you, and whatever the end is happening or whatever changes life is bringing, it's definitely a needed change, and this change is going to be for good. So though it might make you sad today, though it might make you upset today, but believe me, too, you will realize that this had to happen one fine day, and it has actually happened for good, and you are happy that it happened at an earlier stage and not at a later stage. So overall, whatever end or whatever transformation is happening, it's going to make you happy in the long run, and it's going to make you satisfied in the long run, and I think that is what matters the most. See, that is what the card is affirming also. It's going to make you bright. You will be able to, for example, I will give an example. Maybe I am guided for this example, so I'm telling you, maybe you're in a relationship where you're being abused, where you're not being valued, where they don't realize your worth, and that is actually not making you to understand what to do. You want to come out of it, but you're worried that you may not be able to live without it. So as a positive way, or as a positive perspective, think that if it has come to an end, it is good, and you will be getting a better life partner. You will be getting a better person who will love you for what you are, who will take care of you for you, and you will feel happy. Same thing if there's a partnership coming to an end, if there's a business which is closing down, whatever is the card indicating, just be rest assured that something good is only happening, and that is why the coffin has come for a brighter tomorrow. Let's see what the runes are saying. Okay, that's a beautiful card. See, Fehu, a card of progress, a card of growth. So if this is happening, take it as a brighter thing, and then you will feel, yes, it is for a better foundation, for a better tomorrow, and for a prosperous future. So overall, I don't see the coffin as a bad card, wherein I see as a coffin as a card of realization, where at last you know what you need to do, and you will be in the right path. So let's see what the affirmation card has to say. Okay, say yes to all the wonderful invitations. So somewhere even the card is saying, just say yes to whatever is coming your way. Don't hesitate. If it is a break, it's for good. So today you will say, yes, I accept whatever the universe is giving me with a divine blessings from the divine. Just say this 11 times and do it, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Wear something in pink today. If you don't want to wear in pink, then wear something in in more like a golden color, or a yellow color, for you to be emotionally fit throughout the day. Have a blessed day. Thank you.